first off, Raga, why don't you describe the mission? What's our mission here?
Well, because I wanted to have the rope swing set up so most people couldn't use it, but you know,
only we could use it.
Only we could use it. Where you could grab it down for someone else, but then it'd be high enough so you wouldn't fall into the river during high water mark.
Jazz, what are your thoughts?
Aside from absolute awe, I'd like to just see Ryan execute how this vision came together, if you wouldn't mind.
Can you go across it right now?
Probably go down into the river because it's running.
Because like your thought process, because there's not like any locks on it or anything, so by only us being able to use it, you're essentially thinking that we're the only ones stupid enough to try this?
Yeah.
I think you might not even make it to the river.
I don't think I
think it looks unlikely that you're going to make it to
the
the
river. I'll
river.
probably sink down onto the ground. But like you'd pull it down to right here. That's what I'm saying. You sink down so you need better rope.
That was executed so well.
Raga, you tied it to a dead tree that's falling down. And even though it's a big tree, I figured it might
I know, that was just a temporary. I wanted to move it to a live one. Yeah, it's still not going to do the little shit.
Ryan, I'm just looking at the only live ones that are available, and it looks like your weight would literally pull them down.
Yeah.
Those ones in the small, they were pretty solid. How far away? Hey, Sportsman, how far away did you got it from this tree? So that means our cables are just not long enough to get across, probably.
So what would we do as a replacement? Ryan's human hair?
Well, what I'm thinking is, if we were to run a cable, I'm not so worried about other people using it.
Yeah.
I'm really not.
No, it's a pretty stupid idea. I don't think we have to worry about that at all.
But check this out. Just throwing it out, and feel free to make fun of the idea if you think it sucks.
Okay.
What if we wrapped the cable around this tree and had it go over to that tree, and then we wrapped another cable, like, what do you figure, that's 7 feet from my hands to my feet?
Yeah.
So another cable 7 feet up, so you would walk across the lower cable and keep the upper cable
Yeah, I like that.
to keep it from falling off.
So it'd be like a slack line with a guy.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
I'm game on.
Jazz, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, I've got nothing going on Wednesday.
Okay.
Let's give it a whirl.
Schedule's clear.
Let's give it a whirl. Yeah. Oh no! Is that what I think it is? Disgusting.
Ryan, we told you to bury.
Hey, wait, see if there's any good meat on there.
So the question is, how do we get across here as a temporary crossing?
Oh, I can smell that hell.
Yeah, guys, that thing smells really freaking awful. Well done! I've no idea what this is accomplishing, but it looks big. Way to go, Ryan. Progress is clearly being made.
Are you recording, Jesse?
I have no idea what the point to this venture is.
Oh, no, because... Actually, can I have that?
Ah yes, we all know about Ross's affinity for sticks. This looks
Getting over is
absolutely foolproof.
Where's your cell phone? Where's your cell phone? Give me your cell phone. Hold on.
I'm just gonna toss it on this.
No, you're
No,
not.
that's
Here,
an awful
toss it
idea.
to me.
It's a fucking terrible idea.
All right, how many people think this is gonna work?
Oh, it does, but I always do.
I admit I thought Ryan would be the one getting wet.
You did it before. You can do it again.
Yeah, but on the way over, he had a nice wide landing area. On the way back, he has to land on a little rock.
You can do it. I hope.
Oh, this does not.
Oh no.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! You fell right into the dead animal.
This is a dead elk carcass. Very smelly.
I keep asking you guys to remove it because it smells so bad. Oh, Ross, you don't have to do this. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, oh God.
Are you gonna whiff?
Cindy, are you all right?
Cindy doesn't handle odors well.
Oh, Ross, just leave it. Oh, God, just leave it.